So we're here with Collin Sharp.
That's right.
And we're here with his truck also.
Yep.
Well, not this one.
Not this one, that one.
That one. So, Collin, what type of truck is this?
It's a little old 2004 Chevy Colorado. It's got a little old 5-banger in it. I'll start it up for you.
So do you.
Let's start this puppy up. She's roaring.
Yep. We're here with this. Let's hear this puppy purr now. Let's hear it roar. Yeah!
So this truck's got 3 speeds, here, there, and gone. It's got the power of infinity and beyond. And you see that little light right there, that little engine light? That means your engine's roaring and you're good to go.
So, Sharpie, do you have any plans for this car?
I'm gonna turn this truck into an iced out Geo Metro, get a 25-inch lift, and get a V10 in it.
Oh, Lord. All right, so Collin, what's in the back of your truck?
Here, I'll just show you, why not? I got 3 logs, a spare tire, and Geo!
How did I get back here? What?
I don't know!
And I got the repair manual for this one.
I know who could use a repair manual for their car.
What's wrong with this one? What are this messed up Bonder? It's gonna get painted. And that's it for episode 2 of Panther Rides. Once again, if you want to be featured, contact me or my producer. Let's go Panthers!